Hi, Piano Maestros! Welcome to your first piano lesson. I'm Abby, and this is Penny the piano.
Hi there!
Today we're going to learn something super fun. How to find your first two special keys on your piano. We'll call them the little group, which are grouped in twos. We also have the big group, which are grouped in threes. This pattern repeats itself on the piano over and over again. So, if you learn this in one area, you will know the pattern everywhere. Let's start with the little group. We will call them 1 and 2. Can you say that with me? Number 1. Number 2. Great job! Let's take some time to get to know our little group and find them all over the keyboard. Feel free to pause the video to do this. That was fantastic! Now that we know our little group, let's practice. Using the numbers 1 and 2, we will use this exercise to play them on the piano. First, do you see this castle? We'll go on a quest to a faraway land. We are on a piano adventure. Let's begin our exercise now. Take a look at the numbers. As they move towards the lit-up line, play the number that you see. Let's go!
That's a great start!
Now that you've practiced with no music, let's practice with the music. Awesome job! That's it for today's lesson. Feel free to replay this lesson playing a few times each day. You've got this! Bye, friends!
Bye, everyone!
Don't forget to come back next week for your next lesson. Want to keep the fun going after this lesson? I've got a special activity just for you. Click the link below to get your free coloring page and music worksheet. You can use the song to practice your little group. See you next time!